Did you ever think that something as simple as washing your face, which is a step one of your skincare routine that you have been performing since your childhood or your teenage years, has a right and a wrong way of doing it? Many mistakes in this basic face wash routine or face cleansing routine can make other skincare products ineffective. The products that are left on your face, such as your sunscreen, your makeup, dirt, grime, all of these are harmful to your skin. I very often see people completely skipping on the outer edges of their face, and that's why you notice a lot of acne around your face periphery. Using hot water to wash your face or not knowing when to use cold water. Exfoliating the wrong way and so much more can be rectified to make sure that you don't land up with irritated skin or dry skin or open pores or clogged pores. Stay with me because today I will help you learn how to wash your face the right way. Well, welcome to Blush with me. So firstly, wear a hairband or a cap to keep your hair off your face. Knowing that you want to avoid getting the cleanser in your hair, you can very easily skip some very important areas such as your hairline, your jawline, or anywhere around your face border. Especially if you have long hair away from your face. Okay, so start with rinsing your face with warm water. Use a face wash that can get rid of makeup, sunblock, dirt, oil, grime, once a day in the evening. That's how I do it. If you have seen my videos, you know that I don't use any face cleanser in the morning. There is a reason why, but that's explained in another video. Do check it out. I will be sure to link all my videos that I want you to watch. You need to dedicate at least 1 minute to wash your face. Just like you can't rush through brushing your teeth, you need at least 2 to 3 minutes to brush your teeth. Similarly, 1 minute minimum for your face wash. Now massage your face enough, and if possible, do it with your knuckles. Now this not only cleans your face, but it also warms up your face. It activates circulation and it relaxes any kind of tight or tired facial muscles. Start with the areas where you want to dissolve hard to remove makeup, like your matte lipstick, your mascara, your kajal, and then you massage the rest of your face. The edges of your forehead, your temples, go close to your hairline. Also cover your jawline where you see your contour shade hides under your jawline. Don't forget the sides of your nose. This is where a lot of makeup or oil can be accumulated. You'll notice you get a lot of blackheads in this area, so make sure you clean this area really well. Watch that when I massage my face, I don't rub roughly. Because the cleanser I use is very creamy, it has very good slip. I take this opportunity to use eye massage strokes to remove my eye makeup and to initiate skin lifting around my eyes. The circular motions to go over your nose, your cheeks, your forehead, and do not forget your lips. These circular strokes around your lips are good to iron out your lip wrinkles. Notice how this cleanser has no foam, means it does not dry your skin. With my promo code, you can get 15% off on me-Parmita's Balm Cleanser and their bamboo pads, actually on all their products. So do check it out. I'll link it below. Bamboo pads are my way to pull out all the makeup from my pores without the harsh exfoliation. Wet it and then gently rub it all over your face to extract that melted makeup that is still sitting on your skin. This is where a lot of people make the mistake of washing your face immediately with cold water. Instead, rinse your face with warm water, making sure everything that's left on your face rinses off. Also, wiping your face with this bamboo pad avoids second round of cleansing. Again, if you have seen my videos, you know that I have always been against harsh exfoliants on the face. But these bamboo pads not only get rid of the cleanser, the makeup, the sunscreen, the grime, but also the dead skin without being harsh on my pores. It is an eco-friendly alternative too. So ditch your cotton browns and switch to reusable organic bamboo pads for a more sustainable option. Now, hack that I use to make sure that I clean every corner of my face is to use a white face towel. My goal is to see that there are no traces of makeup left on it. Again, while wiping your face, cover your hairline, your jawline, under your chin, around your nose, your brows, your eyes, everywhere. Now, I use a cleanser that is gel-based that can easily clean out everything in one step, even the delicate areas like your eyes, without drying them or losing your lashes or your brows. All of this happens pretty much in the first wash. But also I use makeup that is easily washable, mostly water-based makeup. I don't use any kind of waterproof foundation or concealer or makeup. But if you use heavy layers or full coverage makeup, you may need additional wash. This is pretty much it, and you're done with washing your face before applying your skincare products. But stay with me for the next couple of minutes to understand this bonus step that I perform that is involved in my personal face wash routine. Splash cold water for 10 to 15 seconds to tighten your skin. I personally use Nira Skin Laser for about 2 minutes to tighten my under eyes. And then I rinse my face with warm water so that all my serums, moisturizer, eye cream, etc. can absorb better into my skin. If you saw my skincare gift ideas video a few weeks ago, then I also talked about how I want you to try a stretch test to see how your skin does not feel dried out after cleansing this way. Like I mentioned earlier, I will list some of my other videos and playlists up here and down in the description so you can catch up on some of my other helpful videos so you can age gracefully. I'm Parmita Katkar, your face yoga and image coach. If you want to work with me one-on-one, then you can reach out on my website. After you hit the subscribe button, the like button, the share button, make sure to leave a comment if learning the right way to wash your face is a helpful change in your skincare routine. Do follow me on all my other social media handles because I keep throwing small pieces of content as reminders for you to prioritize yourself and focus on self-development. And to do just that, I have multiple face yoga packages to help you work on different parts of your face, be it your lip rejuvenation, your facial symmetry, your forehead aging, your eye aging, and the latest being my 1-month challenge to recontour your face with my 10-point face massage challenge. Check it all out in the description below. I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.